Tired, but never give up. To all of us fighting for life, I see you, I feel you, and I stand with you. Some days feels endless. Exhaustion sets in, and the weight of responsibility can feel too heavy to bear. But no matter how tired I am, I will not give up. I keep going because my dreams matter, my family matters, and I matter. Every struggle is a step towards something greater, and I know that one day all of this hard work will be worth it. So if you're feeling the same, just relax, breathe, rest if you need to, but please never stop. You are stronger than you think, and you're never alone in this fight. So let's fight together. Approve? All right. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.